Hi everyone, welcome to the training on how to run a report in CCW. For those of you who do not know, CCW is our go-between resource that allows us to connect with our partners, our resellers. If you do not have the link to the Cisco Commerce Workspace site, please reach out to your mentor. I'm sure they will be able to get that for you or copy it from here. This is here at the top. What I'm going to do is show you how to run a report. Now, there's a lot of different reasons why you want to run reports in CCW. The first is to search for a specific deal. Let's say that I am new to my territory and a partner has reached out to me to add additional discounts or to add additional items to either an OIP registration or, let's say, a quoted bill of materials. In that case, all you have to do is go in here, say, okay, I want my deal quote name. You can also look it up by deal ID. Dealer quote name is Moelis, is the account. I'm going to search by Moelis. And sometimes it'll reset itself a couple times before it'll look it up. It's been kind of glitchy today. There we go. Okay, so it came up with two results. I've got two deal IDs for Moelis, both created by T. Murphy. Tom Murphy is my partner. One is an approved status, which means it's good to go. Moelis can go ahead and order from it. One is an reopened status. Basically, just someone reopened it to add additional equipment. It needs to be submitted for reapproval. If you want to do, say you're new in a territory like me, and you want to go in and say, okay, I've got all these accounts that I'm not really sure what has OIPs, what has approved quotes to them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to do a more general search. Before, this was the view that you had to go to advanced, gives you a little bit more detail-oriented search. And go in, keep these blank as you want many accounts, not just one. Go to deal registration date range and go ahead and put in whatever date you want to go from. So let's say I want to go from a year ago from today, 29th, 2013 to the 29th, 2014 of January. If you would like to add an expiration date range, that's fine, but I went by deal registration date, which is the date it was submitted. Registration. You have a lot of different options to add in here. Like I said, you can go more detail-oriented. We want all the records possible, so we're going to keep those open. Right here is very important. Right now, it's automatically assigned to deals pending my approval, which means a partner has registered or submitted a DSA or OIP for approval. What you'll want to do is change that because you want all active. Let's see, let's do deal shared with me would give you the broadest search. And you can go in, of course, and play with this yourself. There's a lot of different options. You can go with all statuses, which gives you basically all the records in the system under you with deals shared with you. You can go by all active statuses or even inactive statuses to see what things have not gone through, what hasn't been booked. You can even customize it by selecting statuses, or by selected statuses. You can go to qualified and reopened. You can click approved, approval in progress, ordered. What we'll want to do is click all active statuses. So we want to see what we have in here. Hit search. Now this brings up 43 results found in Salesforce. Now you've got all these that you can pick from. All you have to do is click on the deal ID and open it. You also have the option of generating a report so that you can go refer back to this several times throughout the week. Go ahead and hit generate report. Go to deal shared with me, all statuses, continue. Your report request has been submitted. Once that happens, you hit OK. And it may take some time. Sometimes it's pretty quick. You can go just to show you where I went before. You can download a report right here. And this will show the report that you just generated. So again, you go to download report after hitting generate report, and it'll show you the report name that you generated. You can click that, open it up in Excel. It has all the same information that you just pulled. Now you can save it and keep it on file so that you can go through and say, I've got the project name, DOIP, the deal ID. You can go into these individually, call up the partner working on this, along with any customer information that might be in there. Follow up with it, see where it's at, see why it isn't closed yet, and see what you can do to help get it booked. That's a really good resource for you to go to find out more information on what OIP registrations and deal IDs are currently open and approved. Please reach out to your mentor or anyone else with additional questions on how to maneuver these different reports. I hope this helps, and have one.